If in IELTS reading passage 1, true, false, not given confuses you, this quick drill will fix it. Let's go. Use this fast method in the exam to avoid traps and save time. Don't read the whole text first. In passage 1, the questions almost always follow the order of the text. Step 1. Read the statement first. Start with a statement. Underline keywords: names, dates, features, comparisons, faster, first, more, less, only. Step 2. Master true, false, not given. This is the most common question type in part 1. True, the text says the same thing. False, the text says the opposite. Not given, the text mentions the subject but doesn't give that specific detail. Step 3. Keywords and synonyms. The test is actually a vocabulary test. You won't find the exact words from the question in the text. You'll find their cousins. Example, feet to move forward. But in text, look for pushing their feet against the ground. Step 4. Match meaning, not just words. IELTS often changes wording. Match idea, not exact words. Step 5. Avoid assumptions. If it feels logical but is not written, not given. Step 6. Time management. 60 seconds, skim the title and the first sentence of each paragraph to get the gist. 15 to 17 minutes, answer the questions. 2 minutes, transfer your answers directly to the answer sheet. There is no extra time at the end of the reading test. Question 1. The dandy horse required the rider to use their feet to move forward. Go to paragraph 1. You'll see the line that says, riders propelled themselves by pushing their feet against the ground. Both have the same meanings, so the answer is true. Question 2. The bone shaker was popular because of its comfortable ride. Check paragraph 2. It clearly says, making for an incredibly uncomfortable ride. That is the opposite of the statement, so the answer is false. Question 3. The penny farthing was faster than the velocipede. Stay in paragraph 2. The passage explains velocipede speed was limited by the size of the wheel itself. This led to the development of the penny farthing, a bicycle with a massive front wheel and a tiny rear one. While fast, it was notoriously dangerous. The meaning matches, so the answer is true. Question 4. John Kemp Starley was the first person to use air-filled tires. Move to paragraph 3. The text says, the addition of John Boyd Dunlop's pneumatic or air-filled tires were added by John Boyd Dunlop, not Starley. That directly contradicts the statement, so the answer is false. Question 5. Bicycles played a role in the women's rights movement. Read the last part of paragraph 3. It says, the bicycle had become a symbol of freedom, particularly for women, whom Susan A. Anthony claimed it had done more to emancipate than anything else in the world. That clearly supports the statement, so the answer is true. And that's how you crack true, false, not given, with proof, not guesswork. Pro tip pattern, very common. Answers usually follow passage order. Q1 answer appears before Q2 answer in the text. So keep moving forward. Don't reread old paragraphs. Remember, don't rush, don't assume, and always match meaning, not just words. Practice like this daily and your reading score will rise faster than you expect.